So you want to create viral YouTube and TikTok videos in minutes without any complicated software. I know most of you go through a lot to learn about CapCut and Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects. In today's video, I'm going to show you a free AI video editor that I found that is changing the game for creators, educators, and small businesses online. Vrew AI is an AI video editing tool that helps make editing simple as typing the text. It does AI transcriptions, captions, video generation, and even shorts creation. And the best part is that it is free to use on both web and desktop. Perfect for creators, marketers, educators, and small businesses online. Now, with the tool that I found, it's not really difficult to edit stuffs around. So I'm going to import a video, and then from there, I'm going to take you through the steps on how to use the tool to edit. Compared to other AI video editing tools, Vrew AI is absolutely cheap. These are the prices for some of the AI tools compared to Vrew AI. First, let's upload your video. Simply click upload, select your clip, and Vrew automatically generates transcripts in just seconds for you. You can also choose between multiple languages if your audience are global. Right, so right from here, I'm going to open the Vrew desktop app and I'm going to start a new project. So I'm going to bring a video sample that I have here of myself talking. I'm going to drag it and put it in the new project. All right, so it's going to ask me to transcribe the speech if I want. I'm going to set that on, and the language I'm speaking in the video is English, United States. From there, you can auto-split the clips, auto-split the scenes as well if you want. So it's optional. You can also import transcripts and auto-detect the scenes as well by clicking on the options there. I'm then going to click on transcribe, and the video will transcribe automatically in just a few seconds. After transcription, it's going to take you to this new homepage where you see a new feature by Vrew AI. It says create short form videos. You can now use Vrew to create short form videos, and I'm going to show you that in later sections of the video. Now from here, you'll be given the option to edit the subtitles or the captions right here. And so this is it. So I'm going to take you through some few things that you need to know about this platform. Here, these are the captions, and these are the captions displaying on the preview. You can then click change playback speed to change the speed. You can show a grid. You can then change or optimize preview resolution. This helps you edit smoothly. My PC is running fast, and so I'm going to click on cancel to cancel it. Yeah, I'm going to select caption, and under captions, you see a bunch of options here. Translate caption, check spelling, delete caption, show caption, and a whole lot. Choose the one that best suits you. In this case, I'm then going to go to translate caption. You'll be given the option to select the language you want to translate it into. So I'm then going to set it to Spanish, and then my translation engine will be GPT, which is the suggested one. I'm then going to click on translate, and it's going to translate 96 clips in just some few seconds for me. Now I have the translation here, and you can see it is under the English caption. So I'm going to click on play, and you're going to see it right here. You can decide to show a caption you want or delete it. I'm going to click on delete. You can delete the captions right here at the options above, and you can show the Spanish caption. You can also show the English one. So I've turned off the English caption, and I'm going to go to the Spanish one as well, and I'm going to turn it off and on again. You can see you can turn it off and on right here. So you best select the one that is good for your project. Step 2 is editing text. Now, the magic of Vrew is text-based editing. You can simply edit your videos like a Word document or a PDF. You can delete words, rearrange sentences, and the video updates quickly and instantly. No timeline confusions, no complicated layers or overlapping layers. And so right here, we can edit the captions as if they were text in a Word document or a PDF. So right here, you can select this one, which is the all right, and then you can change it to any type of word you want. You can delete it, you can change it to anything. AI is not 100% accurate, and so once you read through and you see that it made a mistake, you can correct it. So I changed the create to make right here, which is very simple to do. So you see that immediately you change it in the caption, it changes on the screen right there. So you can then select it, you can cut it, copy, insert, free assets, text box, stylized text, and effect as well. There are a whole bunch of options here that you can play with. You can select background color, and I'm going to choose black, blue, and you can see it changes the color of that specific clip. Just so you know, it's just changing the background, not the text color. You can also make changes to the captions down here. You can see I'm deleting some words and correcting them over there. One thing I like about the platform is that immediately you correct any word, it changes on the display screen or the preview screen on your left. Now let's go over customizing the subtitle or the caption font. All right, so I'm going to click on it on the screen, display screen right here, and you see a bunch of options to animate it. You can then select row fit. You can select typing. You can then select highlight to highlight specific text, shake intensively, swing, and a whole bunch of options there. I'm then going to set my font size to 90. From there, you can go over and change the character and the lining space. You can change the shadow color of the font. You can do a whole lot of editing to it as if it was a Word document. So you do the one that best suits you. You can see right here, I'm changing the caption or the subtitle background color. I change it to black right here, and I'm going to keep it that way. You can either set your fonts to bold, and I'm going to change the font to a different font. There are a bunch of fonts here that you can select from depending on your projects that you're creating. Step 3 is AI video generation. Next, let's see Vrew's AI video editor. Enter a few keywords and Vrew creates entire videos, visual script, narration, and subtitles in minutes. This is perfect if you want viral ready YouTube or TikTok clips without shooting anything. Okay, so from here, we're going to select new project and select text to video. Once you click on this, it's going to take you to a page where you give a prompt. Now I'm going to click on suggestions. Right from here, I'm then going to select any of the suggestions. It says explore the mental health benefits of spending time in nature, which is what the video is basically about. So right from here, I can then set a style, length, and I can set AI Scriptwriter Pro. So I'm going to leave the style to default, and here you can change the length of the characters to 300, 400, 500. I'm going to leave it as default. So you can write your own scripts probably if you generated it from ChatGPT or any other platform. I am then going to go to back and then click on generate script. The AI agent is going to write me an amazing script for the video, and you can see that the script is ready here. All I need to do is to read through and make necessary correction. I'm then going to click on next, and I can be able to select aspect ratio 16:9, 9:16, 1:1, 4:5, and 4:3. You can set your captioning, positioning, captioning length, and you'll be able to select between these multiple voices, which consists of languages, genders, and age. So you best select the voice, play it, and see if it suits your project. I'm going to click on confirm, and right here I am then going to set the music off. If you want music to, you can play music as well. Now we have AI images here, which is text to images. So that is one is on. I'm going to select the image style. We have low poly, we have comic book, we have craft or clay, and I'm going to set mine to realistic right here. You can also add prompts to create images for you as well. You also have the option to enable free stock videos in your project. I'm then going to turn that one off to save time. So I'm going to click on create video and I'm going to click on confirm. The video is being created now. After waiting for a while, that is the result that I got. So I'm going to go through and see if we made any mistakes. You can click on the scenes here, resize, flip it, animate it, and do whatever you want with it. There are a bunch of options like opacity, crop, and a bunch of options here that you can select from. You can select animation and set animation to, let's say, zoom in, zoom out, or move. I'm going to go through the video and see if there are any mistakes in the script. You can listen to it, read along with the AI and see, because AI is not 100% accurate. So you want to read through and check and make the necessary corrections as to how you want your video to be. The 4 is AI Shots Maker. Now it's going to auto-sort the media that you upload on the Vrew app, and then it will highlight and auto-generate a script for you. First, you upload pictures, add a prompt, and your video is out. So it says upload your photos or clips and get narrated videos in minutes. You can try for free. The platform is free up to some point. Alongside, the Vrew agent acts as a co-editor. Just tell it what to do and it will handle the edits for you. Now, Vrew is going to auto-sort the media, pick the best ones from it, and automatically generate a script for you. You basically upload photos or clips, you add a prompt, and then you adjust your video settings and export. So from here, I'm then going to click on new project and select short form with AI. You can either start with a frame or start your short form with AI. I'm going to click on that one, and then here I'm going to click on next. Well, and I'm going to import some pictures and videos I downloaded from Pixels. You can also import it from your phone by scanning a QR code. Videos and pictures are being uploaded on the platform. You can select a voice. We have multiple languages here that you can select from. You can set music on. You can set original audio from the videos as well, and your captioning position. You can also request for something. We have AI suggestions here. I'm then going to click on that one to make it real quick. So I'm going to click on fashion style to produce a dynamic video, and then I'm going to click on create video. Once you click on create video, the AI to then compile everything and then find the best highlights, create a script, and then create your video for you. You can see the video is being created, and this looks absolutely professional for a brand. All right, so step 5 is export or probably publish on the platform, being it TikTok, YouTube, or probably Instagram. Once your video is ready, you can simply click on export, choose your own format, and it's ready to upload on YouTube, TikTok, or any social media platform out there. The final thing we have to do is to export the video. We're going to click on export. Here you have a bunch of options to export it as image, text, subtitles. I'm going to select video MP4. I'm then going to export the video and set a location where I want it to be stored or saved. I'm going to click on save, and it will be saved onto my PC. Now I'm going to show you a TikTok video that I edited with Vrew, and you can see that this tool is very powerful and professional.
Hello and welcome. Have you ever felt a sense of calm wash over you while walking through a park or sitting by a lake? If so, you've experienced the incredible mental health benefits of spending time in nature. Today, we're diving deep into how green spaces can significantly reduce stress, improve your mood, and even boost your cognitive function. Let's start with stress.
If you're a beginner and then you want to learn how to edit videos, I think Vrew is where you can start. And that is how you can create viral YouTube and TikTok videos in minutes using Vrew AI. It's free and it's fast, and it's also designed for creators like you and me. Try it today and start creating videos to get views on these social media platforms like never before. I'm going to leave a link to Vrew in the description. You can click on it and then start editing your videos for free. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, click on the bell icons to get notifications each time I drop in some new video. When you do this, I'll keep on sharing tips to make your online content easier and more profitable. Thank you for watching. My name is El, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.